My name is Doug Thron.
I've been flying drones ever since they first came out. I was one of the top cinematographers for filming real estate. I was just like, you know what, I'm not really fulfilled doing this stuff. My passion is environmental activism.
I'm using the drone to rescue animals.
1, 2, maybe 3 dogs there. Spotting these animals so the rescue groups capture the animals.
Because of the drone, this little life was saved.
Hurricanes.
Fires.
At some part of the world, there was pretty much always a disaster of some sort.
I gotta fight for the animals and fight for the wilderness.
Hey.
Come here, baby.
Come on, pup.
Koalas, kangaroos.
Come on, piggy. 3 horses.
There are definitely pluses and minuses to rescue work.
It's hard not to fall in love with them and want to take them home with you and give them a proper, happy place to be. Witnessing the people when they get their animals back, it gives you an incredible feeling to be a part of something like that.